Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water filter housing assembly in this GE refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a 5/16-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the upper center screw, securing the water line retainer and lower rear access panel. Next, unthread the 5 remaining screws securing the access panel, using the 5/16-inch nut driver. With the screws unthreaded, lift the panel up to remove. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screw securing the water inlet valve mounting bracket. Detach the bracket from the frame. Remove the retaining clips, then depress the lock rings to release the 2 water filter lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Unthread the 2 screws to release the tubing cover. Remove the sealing gum. And free the water lines from any tape. Now open the refrigerator door and rotate the water filter counterclockwise to remove. Depress the left side of the filter housing cover to detach. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the water filter housing to the rear interior panel. You can now pull the old housing and water lines free. To install the new water filter housing assembly, feed the water lines through the hole in the rear interior panel and seat the housing flush with the panel. Thread the 2 mounting screws to secure the housing. Reposition the filter housing cover and snap it into place. Align the arrow on the water filter with the arrow on the housing cover. Insert the filter into the housing and rotate clockwise until it locks into place. Returning to the rear of the appliance, replace the sealing gum around the waterline foam insulation. Reposition the tubing cover and thread the screws. Secure the water lines under the tape as necessary. Fully insert the inlet water line into the inlet port on the valve and the outlet water line into the outlet port. Slide in the retaining clips to secure the lines. Reposition the inlet valve mounting bracket on the frame and rethread the screw to secure. Replace the lower rear access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first. Rethread the screws. Secure the water line behind the retainer and rethread the upper center screw. Move the appliance back against the wall. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.